What's going on, guys? We've got a very special car that just got dropped off here at SDHQ Motorsports. We've got a brand new Porsche 992 Turbo S. Now this car already makes an astonishing 640 horsepower and goes 0 to 60 in 2.1 seconds. Now let's get it in the shop, see what we can do for stage one to make it just that little bit better. All right, so let's take a look at what we've got for stage one on our build. We've got an Akrapovič Titanium Exhaust and a BMC air filter. The Akrapovič exhaust is 60% lighter than stock and is also going to net us about 13 more horsepower. We added the air filter because, as we know, air in, air out means power. Let's crack these boxes open and get the show on the road. And that's a wrap on our filter and exhaust install. Now I'm going to stop talking and let you guys hear what you're actually here for, exhaust clips. Like always, we appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.